Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm here with the 7th update for my 2020 Project Pan. I'm doing the hashtag Team Project Pan that was started by Kat and Hailey from Beauty News. And what it is a full year rolling project pan. You picked out an item of makeup, there's some non-makeup categories, but you pick out an item from each category, and as you use up an item, you replace it with a similar item. So I'll first go over the stuff I was able to use up over the past month. I used up 3 items, which was exciting. The first thing was actually a makeup item. I feel like I haven't been that great at using up makeup this year. A lot of my stuff I've been able to get through has been in the non-makeup categories, but I have used up a makeup item. It is my primer. This is the Benefit Professional. I had been trying to use this up for months. I felt like a lot of my recent updates, I've been saying I'm almost finished with it, but I was able to finally finish this off, so I did cut into it. And even though it's just a little size, I just use a little of this at a time, and I'm not wearing makeup that often, so it just took me a long time to get through, but that is finally finished off. And my replacement primer is going to be this primer from Too Faced. It's the Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I've had this one before. I really like it. This one's more of a silicone, like pore filling primer, and this one is more of sort of a lotiony, like water-based primer. I do prefer this formula over the Professional, so I am excited to be able to use this one again, but that will be my replacement primer. The next item I used up is also pretty exciting. It's one of my fragrances. This is the Elizabeth and James Nirvana White. I do have the black one as well in this project, but I was able to use up this one. I had sort of peeled off some of the paint, or chipped off some of the paint of the packaging, so I could kind of get a better sense of where I was with it, but this is now completely finished off. I'm very excited about that. Now, I don't have a replacement item because I also have the Nirvana Black fragrance in this project, so I had 2 to start with, so I'm just going to be focusing on just that one for the rest of the project, or at least until I finish up that one. But yeah, I did finish up this, which is exciting. And then finally, I finished up a body care item. This is the Bath & Body Works Winter Candy Apple Shimmer Fizz. It's like a fizzy, like lotion. It has like glitter, like shimmer. It's kind of a gimmicky product. Not my favorite, actually. I'm not a super big fan of the scent of it. I know it's like a classic Bath & Body Works like winter scent, but not my absolute favorite. But I did use this up. I just kind of like worked through it. I know it's like a holiday product, but I feel like the shimmer is more like something you want to wear in the summer. I don't know. I used it up though, so that is finished. So my replacement item is this. This is my Bath & Body Works Sparkling Peach Sangria Body Cream. I just recently got this one, but as you can see, I've made some really good progress on it. So this should be something fairly quick that I can use up, even maybe by the next update. I'm looking at some of the fall body care on Bath & Body Works, so I figure like I'll probably just focus on that stuff for the next few months, like starting with like next like September time. But I figure this would be a good thing to like focus on for August. But yeah, that is my replacement body care item. So those are everything I used up, my replacement items, and now I'll go into the progress on everything I'm still working on. So starting with my foundation, I have the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation. This I'm almost finished with, actually. It's at the point where I can twist off. Today, when I was applying it, I had to twist off the pump, and I could kind of, then I can use like a brush or something to get the product on the sides. So I anticipate by the next update that this will be finished. I'm actually looking to repurchase this. I did like this foundation quite a bit, so I'm looking to repurchase it. I usually make a Sephora order on my birthday. My birthday's in August, so I can at least like get the birthday gift. So I'll probably make an order with Sephora at some point in August and repurchase this one. But I feel like I'm at a really almost good point to have this finished up too, so it's kind of perfect timing. But probably about a few more applications of this and this will be finished up. So that's pretty exciting, pretty close on that one. I also have the corresponding concealer from Urban Decay, the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. Now with concealer, I go through it a lot more slowly than a foundation. So yeah, this is at the point to almost be finished up. with my makeup, I've kind of said all my updates that I'm not wearing it every day, especially just working from home. So I am going through my makeup more slowly, but the concealer is something every time I do wear makeup, I will wear this concealer. So I'm making progress with it. I don't think it's something I necessarily will have finished up this year though, but still continuing to work on that. Then I have my powder. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. That's the Translucent Peach Whisper shade. This is a replacement item. I had one of these before and I used it up this year, and then I had this as like a backup and I'm using it. But you do get a good amount of product with this. So again, it's not something I'm going to be able to use up this year. I am using it every time I wear makeup, but it would take, even if I was using it daily, which I'm not, I still wouldn't be able to get through it this year, I don't think. So this is something I'll definitely have to work on next year as well, but I'm still making progress on it. Something I am going to be able to use up is this, my like setting spray. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So I always apply my makeup and then I go film. So it always creates bubbles with this, but you can see I don't have much of it left. So I've made some good progress over this past month. And this is nice because you can kind of use it as a primer. You can spray it on before you put foundation on. And then I also use it as a setting spray after I apply my makeup as well. So I'm really hopeful. Maybe it will take a month or two since I'm not wearing makeup every day, but I'm really hopeful that I can use this up fairly soon, but I'm pretty close with this one. But that's where I am with that. And then I have my blush. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Mood Exposure. Again, I'm using this every time I'm wearing makeup. This is my like blush I'm focusing on, but blush just takes so long. So it wasn't something I was expecting to use up this year anyway. I feel like it takes several years to use up a blush. I just wanted to make some good progress on it, but you can't really see a lot of progress, but I have been using it occasionally. So that's the blush. Something else that I've been able to make some more progress on, not visible progress, but I have been using it more frequently this past month, is this highlighter. This is the Balm Berry Luminizer. So it's just a small like sample size, but I have been using it like every time I'm wearing my makeup. I'm getting in a better habit of actually using this, but you don't see any, I haven't hit pan on or anything on it, but I have been using that. Something else I also use every time I wear makeup is my finishing powder. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light. Again, in a normal year, I probably would be able to finish this off because I don't have much of it left, but since I'm not wearing makeup that frequently, I don't know. It might take me till next year to finish off the rest of this, but I am using it every time I'm wearing makeup. And then I have some eye products. So I have my eyeshadow primer. This is the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I don't know. I've taken the stopper out. I still get product on the application, but the consistency isn't as great as it originally was. So I might give this another few weeks and then just switch it out. I do have a new one of these. So at some point I probably just want to switch out and use the new one, but still working on this one for now. I have my eyeshadow. This is something I haven't really worn. I kind of forget about it, honestly. This is the Urban Decay Single Eyeshadow in the shade Sin. The pan, I believe I had even hit pan on this last year, so this isn't a sign of progress or anything, but this is something that I just kind of have forgotten about. But yeah, this is still in the project. Maybe at some point I'll want to wear it more, but I honestly have been reaching for my new Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, and lately I've really been liking like more medium eyeshadow, like something a little bit more than this sort of champagne shimmery shade. This is a shade I used to really like, but now I sort of prefer other things for eyeshadow. But for now, I'll just still keep in the project, but probably won't get that finished up this year. Then I have a liner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on Pencil in Desperation. And it's really sad with my mark because I haven't been able to make any progress on it this year. Like, well, that's kind of sad, but yeah, I don't know. Not big into eyeliner, and when I do use liners, I use different ones. But I continue to keep this in the project with hopes that at some point I'll want to wear it. But yeah, also hasn't had a ton of progress. Then I have my mascara. This is the Benefit They're Real. Again, I'm not wearing makeup a lot, but when I do wear makeup, I am wearing this mascara. And I'm going to just kind of use it until it doesn't really apply that well. I feel like I haven't been using it consistently enough to like, I don't know, to say I'm done with it, even though I've been wearing it more than 3 months. But I don't know. I'm just going to keep working with this one until it just doesn't really apply that well, I guess. But yeah, still working with this one, making some progress with that. And I have my brow products, both from Benefit. I have the Gimme Brow. This, again, I feel like I keep saying this, but every time I'm wearing makeup, I am wearing this. But yeah, I don't know how much longer this will last. Maybe by the end of the year, I can have this finished off, but I feel like there's still a good amount of product there, so it won't be anytime soon that I'll have it finished. Then I have my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's like a clear brow gel. Again, I'm not sure if I'll have this finished off by the end of the year, or it might take me till next year, but again, I am wearing it every time I'm wearing makeup. And I have some lip products. I have my lipstick from Kiko Milano. It's in the shade Natural Rose. Honestly, I've worn this a handful of times. I don't even have a new mark. I kind of forget about this one, honestly. I've not been wearing lipstick a ton lately. So yeah, the mark isn't even from, it's not like a new mark or anything, but that's where I am with it. I had high hopes that I'd be able to use up this lipstick at the beginning of the year pretty quickly, but yeah, it just hasn't really been the case. But maybe next year, maybe at some point I'll start wearing it more regularly, but yeah, not made a ton of progress with that. I have my lip gloss. This is something I want to really try to use up this year because I do have a backup of this. It's the Bite French Press Lip Gloss in the shade Flat White. I do have it paired over the lipstick today, so you can kind of get a sense of what it's like, but I do like this lip gloss, so I just want to try to make an effort to use it. But yeah, I haven't been really great about using it consistently. Something I have been using pretty consistently is my Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment in the shade Honey. I really like these. They're give you a little bit of tint. They have a little bit of SPF, I think like SPF 15. They're easy to reapply throughout the day. They're like hydrating. So I am able to get through these pretty well. So this is what I have left of it. So not a ton. And actually, based on my progress, I think this is something I can definitely get used up. If I use it consistently, I can get it used up by the next update. So at least with some of my lip products, I'm not making a bunch of progress, but at least with this one, I'm able to. So those are all my makeup items. And then I have my non-makeup categories. So I have my hand cream category. For that, I have this Bath & Body Works hand cream in the scent Watermelon Lemonade. I don't have a ton of this left, but I haven't been using it super consistently. I've kind of been using it more over like the past week. But I think if I can just use this pretty consistently over the next month, I should be able to have it finished off. So that will be a goal, so I can just like focus on getting this finished off. Then I have my fragrance. I talked about this when I talked about the Elizabeth and James Nirvana White that I used up. I also have the black one. I was able to like kind of scratch off the paint on this one so I could see where I'm at, but the black one I'm not able to do that. It's like a better finish on the perfume bottle. So I was kind of using these like evenly at one point. Like I would use this one, or you can use them together, but then I started using the white one more. So I'm not really sure where I'm at with the black one. I don't think I have a ton left, but I can't really tell. Like I would try to shake the bottle, I don't really hear anything, but I still am able to spray out the product. It seems a pretty good application of product, so I'm not quite sure where I'm at with this, but I'm definitely going to be just focusing on this one solely, and I'll see how long it takes me. So I'm hopeful maybe in an update or two that I can have this one finished off. I feel like I'm pretty close just knowing that I was able to finish up the white one. But yeah, this one still working on. Then I have my skincare product. This is another Bite product. This is the Bite Agave Lip Scrub. This, I always have good intentions with. I put it in my shower and then I just don't use it. I just don't really like it, but I just want to get through it. So I feel like I've said this before too, I just need to make an effort to use it. So I'm going to try to see if I can make like a schedule or something and use it like every other day, and just get through it. I mean, I can't really show you. It's very liquidy. That's one of the things I don't really like about it, but I'm about halfway finished with it. So I feel like maybe you can kind of see. I feel like if I just make a good effort to use it and remember to use it, I could get through it pretty quickly, but I just haven't been able to do that yet. So still trying to work through that. And then finally, I have my hair care product. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. I would say I'm like have a third of it left. I don't use this every single day, but I feel like if I focus on this and use it maybe a few times a week at least, I should be able to get through it maybe by the end of the year. I'm not really pushing to get through this like as fast as possible, but maybe by the end of the year I could have this finished up. But so far it's just been kind of slow progress on that one. So that is everything for my update. Stuff that I think I'll be able to finish up by the next update. I think this body cream definitely I can have finished off. I think the foundation, I'm pretty close to having that finished off. This Fresh Sugar lip treatment, I think that can be finished off. I would say also this hand cream. I feel like the other stuff I might be close on or might take like even 2 updates is the primer water, and we'll see with this eyeshadow primer how long that one takes. But I feel like there's a good amount of stuff I'll be able to finish up over the next few months, which is definitely exciting. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.